Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off your subscriber counts on your channel. So if you don't want people to see how many subscribers you have, I will show you, and you don't know how to turn them off, I will show you how to do that. So as you can see, I'm on my coding channel. This is my other coding channel. So if you are into coding and you want to start coding, please check it out and go subscribe. If you come to here, I have a lot of videos for you to choose from. So yeah, go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description for you to check them out. But yeah, like I said, if you don't want people to see how many subscribers, like this work when you have a few subscribers and you don't want people to know. So yeah, let's say, like, at the moment, as you can see, them, right? So if you were to search for this, let's say I'm just going to open up a different browser, right, and then search for that channel, which is Kandowa Tech. If somebody search for your channel, in this case Kandowa Tech, right, as you can see, this is a channel right here, right? As you can see, I have 238 subscribers, so let's get them to 500. But yeah, as you can see, everybody can see my subscriber count. So if you don't want people to see your subscriber count, you can turn them off by, let's go back to my channel. As you can see, I'm on my channel right here. So if you don't know how to go to your channel, just go to, as you are on YouTube, right, you are on YouTube right here, just go to this icon, right, and then click your channel. So you are on your channel right now. So now what you want to do is click on customize channel, right, and then the new tab should open up. So when this is open up, right, it's opening up right here. Now I want you to click on setting down here, click on this setting, and then this new window should open up. Now I want you to go to channel, click on channel, and then I want you to go to advanced setting, and then I want you to scroll down. If you are on advanced, make sure you scroll down, and then if you don't want people to see your subscriber count, you see where it's written subscriber count, display the number of people subscribed to your channel, just unmark that, unmark it, and then save. Right, you save, you turn them off. So now it will take a minute for the changes to take effect, but that's how you turn them off. So that's how you turn them off. And if you want to turn them back on, you can just go to setting again, and then go to channel, and then advanced, and then you are turning them back on. So just mark the display there and then save. So that's how you would turn them back on. Alright, perfect. So yeah, that was it for this tutorial. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, then please make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. And again, if you are into coding, make sure you check out my coding channel. I will leave the link in the description, and just go through the videos wherever you want to. Now, like I said, I have almost over 76 videos for you to choose from, and as you can see, I upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so check them out. So yeah, with that being said, I'm ready to the end of this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.